Welcome. Before diving into today's video, I want to highlight that the information provided in this video was generated using the docs feature. The questions were meticulously answered, forming the basis for what you are about to watch. Now let's seamlessly transition into the recorded video where I'll present and discuss these insightful responses. Let's get started. So first is the instruction sets, characteristics, and functions. So first question is what type of locations can hold source and destinations operands. So source and destinations operands can be held in registers or memory locations. Next question is the what is the difference between arithmetic shift and logical shift? So arithmetic shifts preserve the sign bit affecting sign numbers, while logical shifts fill vacant bit positions with zeros. So next is instruction sets, addressing modes and formats. So question A is what is the difference between post-indexing and pre-indexing? So pre-indexing involves updating the index register before accessing memory, while post-indexing updates after the memory access. So proceeding to question B. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of sewing a variable length instruction format? So advantages of a variable length instructions format include compact code, but disadvantages of it involves complex decoding and potential for inefficient use of memory. So next is the processor structure and function. So question A is what general rules are performed by processing registers. So processor registers play roles in storing data, addressing and holding intermediate results during computations. So proceeding to question B, so why is a two-stage instruction pipeline unlikely to cut the instruction cycles time in half compared with the use of no pipeline? So two-stage instruction pipeline may not have the instructions cycle time due to dependencies between instructions limiting parallel executions. So next is to reduce instruction set computers. So question A is if a circular register buffer is used to handle local variables for nested procedures. Describe two approaches for handling global variables. So first is for a global variable in a circular register buffer. So it approaches include using a dedicated set of register or accessing them through a pointer register. So next is the question B. What are the typical characteristics of the RISC instruction set architecture? So RISC architectures typically prioritize a smaller set of simple instructions, load or store architecture, and fixed length instructions. So for the last is instructions of level parallelism and superscalar processors. So question A, what is the difference between the superscalars and super pipeline approaches? So superscalars executes multiple instructions simultaneously, while a super pipeline uses overlapping stages within a pipeline. So next is question B. What is register renaming and what is purpose? So register renaming allows renaming architectural registers to avoid data hazards, enhancing instruction level parallelism. So that will be all. Thank you.